We have a packed show for you today. We've got legal analysis. We've got political analysis from Jack O'Donnell of O'Donnell and Associates. We've got much more to come on that in just a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, today's guilty verdict could leave voters with questions about whether this will legally impact the presidential campaign. Again, we'll explore part of that political aspect in just a couple of minutes.
The biggest question, though, for voters, will Trump still be on the ballot come November? Dylan Morello, you have some answers for us tonight.
Yeah, well, guys, as we have seen and mentioned already, this is a historical case, and rightfully so, as neighbors are looking for answers. To answer your question, Kelsey, Donald Trump will be on the ballot this year. We spoke with one legal expert today on what that means not only for the nation, but us voters.
The historical significance now of the prosecution of a president, showing that you can successfully have a trial of a president.
It took a jury of 12 New Yorkers only 2 days of deliberation to reach a verdict on Thursday, one which found Donald Trump convicted on all 34 counts of falsifying business records.
Just extraordinary that they were unanimous on that many counts that quickly. It really is going to change the landscape when it comes to prosecuting politicians, former politicians, what we think we can do as the jurists in our society, what we think we can actually pull off in the courtroom.
Trump is now tabbed with the lowest level felony in New York State, which carries a maximum prison term of 4 years. But legal expert Barry Covert says for a first-time offender like Trump, prison isn't likely.
No client of mine that had no criminal history that was charged with something similar to this ever really faced the possibility of incarceration.
Still, neighbors we spoke to feel that the right precedent was set, showing no one is above the law.
That was the biggest thing for me, holding people accountable. If I have to follow the rules, everyone has to.
A big question for voters is whether Trump can vote for himself in the upcoming election. Covert says he can, provided he remains out of prison in New York State. Although Trump is a resident of Florida, the Sunshine State defers to other states' disenfranchisement rules for residents convicted of out-of-state felonies.
Let's also keep in mind that he has the right to appeal this. There's every possibility that, as in any other case, there's a possibility that this case could be brought back if there were any errors that the appellate division agrees with.
Trump's name will still be on the ballot for the office of president in November. Nothing in the U.S. Constitution bars a felon from running or becoming president. Covert says Trump can even run from behind bars.
I think it's definitely going to lead to more money that he gets. Is it going to take the marginal voters and they're not going to want to vote for a felon? We don't know that. That is all to be seen.
Now, the sentencing for Trump is scheduled for July 11th, just days before the Republican Party is set to formally nominate him for president before the November 5th election. Reporting in the studio, Dylan Morello, News 4.